truly love this outfit because this was my birthday love to you. So happy birthday, love, Dr. Pamela Ageless Beauty. Happy birthday. So thank you guys for being a part. Hello, welcome back to Dr. Pamela Ageless Beauty. We're on to another live lingerie talk and my colors. So we're doing today navy, royal blue, all those different kind of colors that come in the royal blue and navy blue. So thank you for joining me. Make sure you continue to subscribe. The notification button, please make sure you turn that on so you know when I'm back with another live lingerie and giving you some ideas to make yourself sexy for women over 50, all women of course, but women over 50, and ideas for our men to get nice lingerie for their mate. Okay, so let's get started. Now this is not a navy blue sheer. If you all have seen, I've worn red, black, and white. Now today is navy. Well, couldn't find the navy in this particular type of style that you've been seeing me in. So I matched it with a tan. Now these are sheer lingerie tops that you wear with your lingerie and lounge around in. These are very nice, sexy lingerie robes, okay? And you wear them as you're lounging with your mate, and you match it up with any colors that you're wearing. Now, this is beige, and so I'm matching it with this navy blue lingerie. So I wanted to kind of show you this. I'm not, you know, I love my YouTube, so we're not going to do too much taking off, but hopefully you can pretty much see this particular lingerie. This lingerie is a two-piece. As you know, I always have two-piece lingeries, and it comes with the panty, and this is a sheer baby doll fitted outfit. But because it's too sheer, I don't want to take it off. We got to stay in compliance with YouTube. So I love that. All right, so this is an outfit that if you're interested in, make sure you go into the description below and send an email. I'm working on a site for those who are now telling me, oh, they love my lingerie, and hopefully we can get them to you sooner for yourself or for your mate. Okay? So I'll be back, and I'm going to show you another blue lingerie. Welcome back. I'm back. And we are talking blue lingerie, royal blue lingerie. So you know why I'm talking royal blue lingerie? Because September is Sapphire. September is for Virgos, and that's who I am, Virgo. I had a birthday, so stay tuned, and I'm going to give you all my real age, and I'm going to talk about not only, again, us being sexy, but how you can be younger, live younger, during this time of everything going on. So you can relieve the stress. I'm going to create a video for you so that I can help my ladies, and especially the men now. I'm not forgetting you, but this product helps both. So make sure you stay tuned to the next video after this. I'm going to be talking about anti-aging. So we'll sit down and we'll talk about it. And I'll do a close-up, let you see my before, my after, and what I've done. Okay? Because this is September month, and this is Sapphire time, and it's time for me to let you all know what I'm doing to stay ageless. And this is why it's called Dr. Pamela Ageless Beauty. Because we need things to keep us ageless. But what we also do is we need to keep things that will keep us sexy and looking outstanding and stress-free. So, now let's go ahead and talk about this particular lingerie. Now, this lingerie is almost considered something that you could wear, I would say, out with some pants or a skirt And here's why. Because you see right here, it has a little split. And again, this is a two-piece with the undies. At the same time, it has the lower back. So not only can it be worn as your lingerie and to lounge around in, it also could be worn with the outfit or particularly on the beach. You could take this on the beach. So this is a very, very nice lingerie, okay? The way that it's located. And it's a cover-up. It's for those who want to really hide any flaws in this area. And of course, it lifts right here. It's a very, you could tighten it. And back here, if you need to lift yourself up even more. But it's an outstanding lingerie. I love it. Because it doesn't look like lingerie. It almost looks like something you're in the kitchen with, right? But when you turn around, you get that sexy look, okay? All right. I hope you like this lingerie piece. I'll be back with my really, really sexy lingerie that I love, that I've celebrated my birthday with, and you're going to love it. It's just gorgeous, okay? We'll be back. Okay, we're back. You're back with Dr. Pamela Ageless Beauty as we talk about royal blue lingerie and how we can look sexy over 50. So thank you for watching. I appreciate your subscribing. Thank you. Continue to subscribe and be a part. Okay, now this is my sexy lingerie that I love because it's a baby doll. Y'all know I love baby doll lingeries. It is a two-piece as well. So you get to see the two-piece through it. It is sheer, but it's a sexy sheer. And then it has a split in the front that opens up. And it's a very, very, very sexy type of lingerie that you can wear. And it has a silk bow with it as well as the undies. So I really, really, truly love this outfit because this was my birthday love to you. So happy birthday, love, Dr. Pamela Ageless Beauty. Happy birthday. So thank you guys for being a part. Now this lingerie is very, very sexy. Anyone would love it because again, you know why I like the baby doll dress? It hides all the tummy and the you can just wear it and it makes you look so sexy, right? So I'm going to let you see what it looks like in the back. So that is how that baby doll looks back there. This is what it looks like in the back. So it has a nice little low cut there. So it's very, very nice. And again, it's not so close up. Let me get closer so you can see that it's not so fitted. You can wear it if you have flaws or if you think you have too much tummy because it hides that. So this is a very sexy, again, it opens up in the front. We're not going to move too much so we can hide that. So there we go. That's the royal blue collection that I have for you right now. Again, we're still staying on colors and we'll be back talking about lingerie, talking about ways that we can continue to keep our sexy on as we are over age 50, or it doesn't matter how old we are. I just appreciate you being a part of Dr. Pamela Ageless Beauty. We'll be back as we talk about more lingerie, more lingerie. Watch for the next video because it's going to be about ideas that's going to reduce your aging. And I'm going to tell the real age of Dr. Pamela. Okay? All right, we will be back. See you soon.